Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can play Fortnite Split Screen on Xbox console. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. First things first is to start your Fortnite and go over to your lobby. After that, connect the second controller, then select second player's console account. Once signed into their account, look at the bottom right corner and with the second controller, hold down the respective to log in. And split screen mode will automatically turn on when you start a game. Now in the case if your split screen mode isn't working as expected, check your internet connection. Split screen mode will only work if your connection is stable. By doing all these steps, you will be able to play Fortnite in and split screen mode. And that's how you can play Fortnite split screen on your Xbox console. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.